Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This tutorial is over our pattern, Tae-Kwon Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be working with the second merit of a good pattern, power. Everything that we are doing with sufficient power to make it effective. For example, if I'm doing a downward hammer fist strike, that's proper technique. The strike starting in the right place, finishing in the right place. I'm using the proper part of my hand to strike with. Now, let's see that again. Now, the only difference between the first two strikes I showed you and the second two were moving faster. They had greater acceleration. That is what gives them greater power. So as we go through Tae-Kwon Hyung in this tutorial, we're going to be taking it a bit faster. That said, we still want to use good technique. Good technique, proper technique, helps us make effective use of our power. If I'm just flailing away this way with those downward hammer fist strikes, yes, they've got a great deal of energy. And I'm simply throwing it all away. I'm wasting it on the empty air because I can't control it. Proper technique allows me to make effective use of the power we create. And it's just as important with a blocking technique as it is with a striking technique. If I am going to block a kick with a low block, again, that is proper technique. It's not going to redirect the kick. I need something with sufficient power to do that. So it's got to move more quickly, but I've still got to be able to maintain control over it. If I'm just, again, flailing around in the air with that low block, it will be ineffective. It won't protect me. I've got to be able to put it right where I want it, right when I want it. It's got to have power. So we'll be going a little more quickly. We'll still work by my count. So let's try this together. Chun-bi. Tae-Kwon Hyung, my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to ready. Sharyu. Okay. All right. That is Tae-Kwon Hyung working with the second merit of a good pattern, pout.